Leah here. Did you know WooCommerce is one of the best platforms for selling online? It's built to seamlessly integrate with WordPress, the world's most popular and powerful method for creating a website. I'm going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Printify. Before doing so, we'll need to adjust some settings in WooCommerce, so follow along as we go step by step.
From your WordPress admin panel, go to WooCommerce and then Settings. Find the Advanced tab, click Legacy API, and check Enable the Legacy REST API. Save your changes. Now go to your WordPress settings, find Permalinks, and select any option other than plain. I'll choose day and name. Save your changes. Now go to printify.com, log in or create an account, find Manage My Stores, and add New Store. Now scroll to find WooCommerce and click Connect. Here you'll have to enter your WooCommerce store URL, which you can find in your WordPress admin panel under Settings. Click Connect one more time, and then Approve. Lastly, download the Printify for WooCommerce plugin, which will automatically apply the correct Printify shipping rate to your Printify products. In your WordPress dashboard, find Plugins, Add New, and search Printify. Click Install Now, wait for the installation to finish, and then activate.
And there you go. You've successfully linked your WooCommerce store, and now you can publish products, manage all orders through Printify, and the applicable shipping rate will be automatically assigned. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.